Love is a force that knows no bounds, a flame that never fades or drowns. It lifts us up to soaring heights and fills our days with endless delights. Love is the whisper in the wind, the gentle touch that makes us grin. It's the music of the heart's beat, a melody that's so sweet. Love is the warmth of the sun's ray, the magic of a perfect day. It's the comfort of a soft embrace, and the peace that comes with grace. Love is the answer to life's call, the light that shines within us all. It's the reason we are here, and the gift we hold most dear. So let love be your guiding star, no matter where you are. For in love's embrace you'll find a joy that's truly one of a kind. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this poem, your heart and share is very much appreciated.